Hi, Ian Newton here. I just want to talk to you a little bit about the glycemic index and the glycemic load. Now you can Google glycemic index and you will see a list of foods, and starting at the top, which is rated 100, which is white sugar, and white potatoes are right up there. And it goes right down to the very bottom, which would be more fibrous foods. Say on the glycemic index, an apple is a better food to eat than a banana because the sugar is more rapidly absorbed. Now, a lot of people use the glycemic index as a way to avoid the high sugar foods, but it's not really accurate enough. You can also get a chart, download a chart, what's called the glycemic load. Now, glycemic load is more accurate because it reflects volumes of food eaten. Now, on the glycemic index, watermelon is quite high because it's sugary. We all know how sweet it is. But from the glycemic load point, it's actually low because nobody eats an entire watermelon. You tend to have a piece, or a thin, maybe a small slice chopped up. So that's what they're talking about. That's the difference, is really realistic consumption takes us to the glycemic load rather than the glycemic index. So that's just another thing. If you want to get a bit more particular about this, but remember, we're not counting calories and we're not even really portion controlling. We're just eating 25% carbohydrates, mostly from vegetables, and low glycemic load fruits, and we're having 25% proteins from our meat sources and fish, all our chicken and beef and lamb and cheeses and dairy. And then we're consuming 50% of the diet from fats, which are including dairy again and cheese, and olive oil and nuts and avocados and avocado oil. And so, hop into the macadamias and the almonds. I tend to go more for the almonds because I find it hard to stop eating macadamias. I like them so much, but I can easily eat just a few roasted almonds and that seems to do the job. Great, thank you. I wish you all the best on your journey, on your roadmap to vibrant health.